Ready, Dixie?
Oh, Dixie.
Ready? Get the ball. Get the ball.
She just wants to swim. Oh, yeah, that's not the right stick, but you can bring that one if you want. Let's trying to find it.
Get the ball. Get it.
Get your ball.
Go get the ball.
It's broken.
Where's that stick at? Get your ball, dude.
That stick is really messing you up, isn't it? Oh, he's going to get a different one. There you go. That works. Okay.
Good, buddy.
Keeps getting distracted.
Ah.
Oh, buddy.
What do you think, man?
He comes with the big stick again.
You got it.
Hi, bud.
Get it, Dixie. Get it, Dixie. Get
Go on, Dixie, get it. No. Hi. Hi. You're so
nice.
hi. Oh, that's so nice. Get it, Dixie.